Hey guys, it's Micah from Origami for Cause, and today we are going to make the Origami Ninja Star. To make the Ninja Star, you will need 2 square pieces of paper. So now let's begin. First, you take the paper and fold it in half, just like this. Then, take these 2 flaps at the bottom, make sure they stay together, and fold it up to the top, just like this. Make sure to line up the corner with the corner as you fold in half, just like the first fold. Then you fold the paper in half this way, with a thick part at the top with all the layers at the bottom, just like this. Sometimes the paper won't really go your way, so I recommend sticking your finger right here, and then with both sides, and then fold it down, just like this. Now we take, with the thick part at top, we fold this side, the right side, down, just like this. And you fold this left side up. Then you flip it over and you'll see something like this. Fold this top right corner, down into a triangle. And take this bottom left corner and fold it up here. And that's the first model. Now you'll use your second piece of paper. And you do the exact same thing. Almost the exact same thing. One of the last steps are a little different from the last model. So, like before, fold in the half and fold in the half again. Just like this. Then fold this one in half again, like last time. This time with the thick part at top, instead of folding this side down, we fold this side up. And we fold this side down. Now we flip it over and take this top left corner, fold it down just like this. And take this bottom right corner and fold it just like this. Now you put your most recent layer down sideways just like this. And take this, the other model, and place it just like this. Then you fold this corner, this triangle part right here, into this one. And then you make sure it's the best quality you can do, because this does have an effect on the whole Ninja Star. And then you do it with the other side, just like this. Next step, you turn it over, and you're going to adjust these by moving this over. Don't pull too hard, or you'll have to redo the last steps. And then from here, after adjusting it, fold it just like this. And then lift this flap open, tuck this right in there, just like that. Now take this flap up here, fold it down, and then open this up, and then fold it in just like this. And once you've completed that step, you've completed the Origami Ninja Star. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like this video. See you next time!